Hey guys, so I decided to vlog today. I'm actually going out and doing some things, so I figured why not bring you guys along with me. I love to vlog, I just don't really... Let's just go.
Here, my friend MJ is here to pick me up. She's probably been waiting for like 10 minutes. I'm really bad with time.
Hey! Oh no, I left my coffee. I gotta go back up. Okay, we Gucci.
Stupidity. I'm gonna even pause.
Are you driving or your dog, bro? What's going on? I wish I had one of those things.
I know, right?
Alright, so we just got to El Citadel. Is it El Citadel?
Citadel.
Oh, Citadel.
Citadel.
El Citadel. Hey. So yeah, we're about to get some. We're about to shop. I don't know why, because I'm on a budget.
And I honestly shouldn't be shopping, and I'm on a budget. So I don't even know what the fuck we're doing here.
Well, we'll see what we're doing.
Hey. Okay.
Alright. Okay, we decided to take the stairs instead. The elevator was tripping, low-key. Citadel. See, these are 35 with 40% off. And Urban Outfitters probably has them for 50.
Hey.
Oh, wait, I don't know to be hype of these sneakers or the song.
The song.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Why did
Hey.
you guys put this song on?
Hey. Y'all know I want these scammer pants, but they don't got my size. They're small. Alright, so we're in Vans. I really need a new pair of Vans.
I'm gonna blow this whole house up. I'm so pissed. Like literally, I was like thinking, I wonder if he has a girl coming over. Oh my god.
This soda tastes like grapefruit, just how I expected it to. It says citrus, but it's grapefruit. Like, it's one kind of citrus. Body friend. Hype Bay. So the shopping day, it seems pretty successful so far. I mean, we're not really finding anything that we're looking for. We were buying other things.
Oh my god.
So Brooklyn content. Get those angles. Yes, yes. Get the squats. Let's go get food. Ooh.
All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded.
It's a whole week later. A whole week since I've last vlogged. Yo, this is how it is when you're in LA trying to get it, like, about to get it. There's some biscotti. Oh, that's beautiful.
For real.
Dang. And it smells great too. It's like a cookie.
Hey Jeff. Metro Boomin.
You get like a shot and it goes away. Syphilis and chlamydia.
Oh, he said no one
penicillin.
really dies.
It's a
It's
penicillin.
impossible. You gotta get a shot. And I'm
Yeah,
like,
it's a penicillin shot.
no, I thought
Let's do this.
it goes from like the moment was in his decent size. There's one smaller than that. You know, they nigga out there, you know, like some shit in that nigga. He came in there too. His room is like. I ain't even say still. Stand up there.
Yeah, be careful. Yeah, point you somewhere. Stand there real quick. Oh, that's hard. Oh, yeah. That's it. Hey, yo, these cameras are like, one shot with all that green, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, right
right there from the angle. Like
This
she
one.
popping out
Yeah,
the bushes,
yeah, that's fire. That's
creeping
fire.
and shit. That shit hard body.
Hard body.
Are you really a artist if you don't trespass?
Right.
I think not.
Like, I ain't see
You want it like
release the demon, not touch it. I hope that she took them shit out personally. You know, just the
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Millie Rock star.
New York is like in my mind. It really is. It's like the dance I'm gonna teach my children. Okay, now I'm on a fire escape. Hey, hey, hey.
300 racks on the Lily truck, yeah. Take the fingers off and go and lift it up, yeah.
Honestly, the more that I touch my hair, the bigger it gets. So I can't, like, if you could see me through here. If you like my video, just like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank you guys for watching. And if you have any ideas or anything, just let me know. Like, I'm down for it. Like, I want to create more videos and talk more to the world. And yeah, I'm just really excited. And I hope that I could spread some positivity to you all, because I am feeling really good right now. I hit my sativa pen and I gotta go. All right, peace out.